Hi there!
Hi guys, it's Vicki here from Farthings Dry Cleaners.
And Laurence. Let's have a look today at what can be dry clean and what can be washed. So we've got different types of fabric. So for example, viscose,
Silk.
wool,
You've got some velvet,
some linen,
sequins,
real velvet.
and some pleather.
What is the first thing you do when you buy some clothes? You look at the care label. How am I going to care for this garment? So there's really 5 symbols that you need to look for. The first one is the washing. So you can see it's like a bowl, really, like a bowl with a bit of water on the top.
Looks like a bowl with
Next one, it's the bleach, which easy triangle.
a simple triangle.
Which usually it's crossed. So by the way, all of them, when they are crossed, it means do not.
Yeah.
But most of the time the bleach sign is crossed.
And then you've got just a normal square, which is for drying.
Yes.
And
it's got a round as well. Usually it's got a circle inside.
Laurence always says it looks like a little tumble dryer.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. Again, if it's crossed, it's do not.
Then you've got the ironing,
which
is classic shape of an iron.
Mm-hmm.
And then the last, you've got the
dry clean.
The dry clean, which is
just a round circle.
Yeah.
With the round circle, you can have different types of dry clean as well. The dry clean that we do at Farthings is with a P inside. It means, because I can't pronounce it.
Me neither.
I hope that helps, but look at the care label. If you're unsure, just come and speak to us. We'll be happy to help you.
Have a lovely day, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.